All right, in this video, I'm going to take you through this process and demonstrate how this works with page conditional logic. And I want you to pay close attention here as well to the form steps. Now, previously to version 2.5 of Gravity Forms, which this demo is using, these steps did not change. So if you had a 6-page multi-page form, and those pages were adjusted based on logic, you would still see pages 1 through 6 listed all the way across in your progress bar. In this 2.5, now with Gravity Forms, it's only going to show you the relevant pages. So in this case, I have some conditional logic set up. Most of it is triggered based on what's happening here, or it starts based on what's happening here, and then through the form there's some other options that also add additional pages. 1 to 2 years in this scenario, in this form, will provide different pages than 3 to 5 and 5+ years. So let's start with the 1 to 2 year demonstration here. And you'll see there it changed. So it went from being pages 1 to 2 to pages 1, 2, and 4. We're skipping page 3. And we're going on to skipping page 5 and 6 as of right now. Now let me go ahead and step back real quick and show you the form editor. In the form editor, you can see this multi-page form has a total of 6 pages, and I've just titled them all page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That way you can see in this demonstration what pages are actually getting hit based on the user's selections. So as of right now, it's pages 1, 2, we're skipping 3, we're going to do 4, and as of right now, we're skipping 5 and 6. So if we go to next, okay, we'll see that here, once we complete this and we go to next again, we get to page 4. Page 4 isn't the actual last page. Remember, this is a 6-page form, but when we click next on this page, it will actually submit the form. Okay, so there, the form's actually been submitted. We skipped page 3, we skipped page 5 and 6. All right, now if we do that again from another scenario, let's say we go with pages 3 to 5 or 5+. These are going to give you the same result. So we'll just do 5+. So now you can see here, we're skipping page 2, we're going to go to page 3, we're skipping page 4 and 5, and going to do page 6 for now. Now as we go on through the form, on this page, there's some other conditional logic here that's going to, again, adjust what pages we have to complete for this process. If I select this first option, then you'll see the page changed. So now, instead of page 6, I'm going from page 3 to 4, and I'm going to skip 5 and 6. If I make this selection, you'll see that now I'm going to skip page 4 and complete page 5 and 6. So let's go ahead and go down this route. Click next. Okay, and then these don't really have any bearing on our selection. They're just there for demonstration purposes. We go next, and now here I am on page 6. Now page 6 is the official final page in my form, which is why we have a submit button here. And again, these titles are purely for demonstration purposes, so you can see how this is working. So in this intake process, I completed page 1 of the form, skipped page 2, completed page 3, skipped page 4, completed 5 and 6, and then from here, clicking submit does the same thing and completes the form. So you can see that multi-page forms with conditional logic to trigger which pages are available is pretty powerful solution. And with the improvements made in 2.5, you now have a more user-friendly approach to this, with the adjustments being made in the visible steps of the form. So if you have any questions, again, this is completely detailed in how to set this up in the tutorial below the video. But if you have any questions or need additional support, help, you can use the comments on this article or the chat below.